Makita XFD131 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless of half-in. Driver Drill Kit 3.0. The particular Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 1/2 Driver Drill Kit XFD131 is an ideal drilling and traveling solution for the user who wants the drill with superior power to weight percentage. The XFD131 combines 440 within lbs of max torque, having an efficient brushless motor that provides up 50% more work for each charge, increased power and swiftness, and longer tool life. For your pro user, this means more going and driving power, greater efficiency, and fewer trips up and down the particular scaffolding or ladder to get to the particular battery charger. In driver mode, the particular adjustable torque settings provide a lot more control for a full range of programs, from large fasteners to smaller-sized, delicate screws. It weighs just 3.8 pounds. With 3 or more 0 battery for increased convenience and superior power to weight ratio. The particular XFD131 is compatible with Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion batteries, from the fast-charging 18V LXT Compact 2.0 battery to full-size 18V LXT batteries for longer run time. The particular kit includes an efficient 18V LXT 3.0 battery that gets to a full charge in only 30 minutes, available downtime and increased productivity. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V Lithium-Ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V Lithium-Ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V Lithium-Ion batteries have the fastest cost times in their categories, so they take more time working and less time sitting at the charger. For improved tool efficiency and extended battery life, Makita developed Star Protection computer controls. Superstar Protection is communication technology which allows the Star Protection-equipped tool plus battery to exchange data in real time plus monitor conditions during use to control overloading, over-discharging and overheating. Just for increased versatility, the tool may also be